You need to, want to, got to learn. Learn.
Hold on. That's a good question. An artist statement is a way that an artist is able to articulate to their audience or to people who will read the statement what their work is about. And so that's a difficult thing in itself for an artist to be able to put into words what their images are trying to say in the first place. So I think if I was to describe what that is, it's a way for me to communicate to others about different ideas, politically, socially, economically, but more importantly, it's a way for me to communicate with myself and some deeper layers of myself in a very meaningful way, in a very immediate way. My practice is primarily drawing based, so in that as a practice, I find that I'm really not limited to any particular material or technique. So I started off when I was in school making work. I did a lot of work in charcoal on paper. It was really super cheap and immediate and messy and wonderful, and I could really just fly with that stuff. But I do paint with acrylics, oil paints. I've recently taught myself how to use spray paint, and I love that material. And when I look around, I see a lot of things that bug me in the world, a lot of things that I like to talk about in terms of what's happening socially or politically or even spiritually, and those are things that my art expresses. It's important for artists to understand that what they're doing is very powerful in its ability to affect a change.